Hello, how are you? I am Mohamed Darwish and this is a vocabulary lesson. It's about bathroom.
shower, 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 mirror, mirror, toilet, toilet lid, flusher, wash basin, laundry basket, towel rail, shower curtain, soap dispenser, conditioner, face cloth, hot water tap, hot water tap, cold water tap, razor, toilet paper handle, toilet paper handle, brush my teeth, brush my teeth, brush my hair, take a bath, wash my face, wash my hands. She's cleaning the bathroom. She's shampooing her hair. She's shampooing her hair. She's shampooing her hair. He's shaving. He's shaving. Excuse me, where is the bathroom? Excuse me, where is the restroom? Thank you and goodbye.